Have you ever tried joining yoga classes for your health issues? You started seeing difference in your body and in your mind, and you start to improve in your health condition. And when you stop the classes, slowly one or the other health issue pops up. For others, this may be even worse. Nothing worked for them and they have to live with the pain. Either it may be physical pain or emotional pain even after months of practice. All they say is, yoga never helped me. It applies for people targeting weight loss too. Do you lose weight and again regain the weight over a period of time? Whatever method you try to do, you're not able to shed the extra pounds permanently. If you have faced such experiences, let me tell you why yoga or any medicine or exercise or any treatment doesn't work for you. Do watch this video till the end to know the answer. This is Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. I'm a certified yoga teacher and did my specialization in prenatal yoga teacher training too. We are on the last day of our 21-day free online yoga workshop, Transform 2023. If you are new here, you can check out our previous videos of this workshop by clicking the link here or from the description box below. Let's get started on our conclusion of this workshop, connecting the puzzle. Consider you have a cycle. The tires are worn out and they leak air. You find it hard to ride the cycle. Every day you pump air into the tires. Constantly you are putting efforts for your cycle. Still you are not able to ride the cycle easily. In the same way, if we are not finding the root cause and correcting the root cause of our health issues, it is not going to help us in any way. I'm sorry to say this, from simple cold and cough to chronic conditions like insomnia and obesity, people here are trying to treat the symptoms rather than rectifying the root cause. A small torn and cloth, if not stitched on the right time, will become bigger and will make the dress unfit to wear. The same way, if you're not addressing the issue, if you're ignoring your root cause, the root cause will become bigger and will lead to fatal conditions. I'm not threatening here. It's the fact that people are careless about their body and mind. Our lifestyle is like cutting the own branch that we are sitting on. If you truly love your family members, you need to make sure that they are healthy both physically and emotionally. Expensive gifts, vacation, all become secondary, and this must be the primary love language towards yourself and towards your loved ones. Okay, wherever you are on your health condition right now, if you wish to take control of your body and mind, all you need to do is to connect the puzzle. The human body is self-healing. All you need to know is with proper input, your body can provide you proper output. Inputs that we are going to provide for our body are proper diet in proper way, art of eating to induce proper absorption and proper assimilation of nutrients. You need nutrients, you need fuels for this body to work. So the diet should be proper with proper water, proper sleep and proper physical activity. These are the things that we have seen in detail on our day 0 to day 7 videos. Do watch them again to make them as your lifestyle. Next, our human mind has the capacity to do miracles. It is the one which is going to give you energy, motivation and power to take care of your body. So throw away all negative garbage emotions from your mind and learn about karma, habits, subconscious mind power, and learn the powerful techniques, affirmations, gratitude, journaling, resting in peace to mold your mind as the way you wish for by watching our day 8 to day 19 videos. Detox your body and mind to start your fitness journey today. All it takes is awareness on what's right and what's wrong. Get yourself aware of what's good and what's bad for your body and for your mind. Yoga is not just about physical postures and breathing practices. Yoga is a science. Yoga is a way of living. Yoga helps to take care of your body and mind to reap its full potential. I sincerely wish that this Transform 2023 series video should help you to bring out the better version of yourself. Do share this video with your friends and family to let them know that you want them to take care of their health. Follow the contents of this workshop for the next 30 days to start seeing improvements in your life both physically and emotionally. Climb the ladder. Do comment if you have any queries in any of my videos at any time. Do give a like, give thumbs up for each and every video of this workshop so that it reaches many people on YouTube. Subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified whenever we post a new video. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. Do join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries with me directly. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and thank you so much for being a part of this Transform 2023 series. Do share your feedbacks and comments for my improvement in the comment section below. Nandri, Vanakkam.